Good morning, Flomaton High School. This is Dawson Flowers with a few words of wisdom. This goes out to all of you who take life too seriously. You know who you are. It's so easy to get caught up in negativity and seriousness. A person can start to feel really weighted down, like she's carrying the weight of the world on her shoulders. You might remember the story of Peter Pan. It's a story that is loved by people of all ages. Why do you suppose that is? Maybe it's because all of us, from time to time, wish we could fly away from life's problems just like Peter Pan. Flying away usually isn't the answer. Someone once said that angels can fly because they take themselves lightly. Maybe that was Peter Pan's trick. So lighten up today. Look for the good in yourself and others, or you might wind up permanently grounded. With something to think about, this is Dawson. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. Baseball tryouts are next week. There is an important pre-tryout meeting in Coach Bell's room on Monday. Tryouts are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The varsity basketball teams will play in the county tournament at WS Neal tomorrow through Saturday.